In this video, I'll show you how to change the number format in your Google Ads account so numbers like budgets, bids, and performance metrics appear in the style you're most comfortable reading. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon at the top of the dashboard. From there, open Preferences, which controls how the interface is displayed for your account. Inside Preferences, find the option called Display Language and Number Format. This section allows you to adjust both the language of the interface and how numbers are shown. Select the number format that matches your regional preference, such as using commas for thousands and periods for decimals or the reverse depending on your location. After saving, the interface will update and numbers across reports, charts, and tables will display using your selected format. This change only affects how data appears on your screen and does not alter campaign performance or billing calculations. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.